Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add money in Uber wallet. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Uber application. Once you open Uber, you simply need to click on the icon in the top right, and then you need to click on wallet. And once you click on wallet, you simply need to click on add funds. And here you have two options: one time purchase, auto refill. So you simply need to click on one time purchase, and here you in the bottom you will find the option of payment method. Then you need to click on select payment, and here you see the option of add payment method. Click on that and you have two options: credit or debit card and easy pesa. So you select any option according to your choice and add amount in your wallet, and you can select amount here according to your choice. And you also have an option of auto refill, which you can use if you want to auto refill your funds in Uber wallet. So this is a process by which you can add money in Uber wallet. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.